Ellie, hello. So what do you think about this meeting?
I don't know what he's talking to me for. He called me and said, I want to dance. So these skits. I don't know what's going on. He called me to dance. I didn't come to dance. I come to eat.
What's your grandpa talking about?
Excuse me.
No.
Fundraising. I'll go down.
For Hawaii or for his church?
Excuse me, Mr. Junior. Mr. Junior.
I just want to say something.
What you want to say? Who are you? Huh?
Hi, my name is Julie and I'm Samoan.
Huh?
Nobody will see her because her face is uncovered.
He's talking to me.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I record it? Today's your birthday.
Yeah. Or something about his birthday.
Come closer.
Huh?
Come closer. The light can't see you guys.
Oh, he said come close. Hey, whisper.
Come here, I promise.
Nothing.
Okay, Julie, explain what's going on over there.
They are talking about the ministry.
What ministry?
I think our church are getting together with the other church.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think is happening over there?
I don't really know.
Huh?
I don't really know.
Okay. Is there any food over there for us to eat?
Some of it, but most of them are gone now.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what happened to it.
So who's the head person in that meeting? Who's leading that meeting?
I believe it's a man named Tasi, my
really?
grandpa. He's right over there.
Your grandpa?
Yes.
Okay. Why does your grandpa have to have these long meetings? Does he know that everyone's hungry?
I don't know. Maybe people's mind is off. Maybe people's mind want to go on the food still.
Okay. So, what are you going to tell your cousins that are watching this video?
I'm going to tell them, next time you guys have a meeting, please do it earlier, not now, because people are probably still hungry still.
Huh? Okay. Alright. I'm going to move on over here to see what Junior's up to.
Try to steal some chicken and take for my wife.
Huh?
Try to steal some chicken and take for my wife.
Alright, let's see. Midnight barbecue. I don't know if you can see it in the light here. Got the grill going. Smell the meat.
I like the stuff at the bottom. I like the salmon, the one at the bottom.
So that's the leftover of the Tasi barbecue. Sort of like fried barbecue now. But I know you have to get real close to the person. Huh?
Lawton, want to say something?
Huh?
Want to say something?
Go Niners.
Go tell your grandpa. Stop this meeting right now. Alright, go.
Okay.
This meeting's
Tell, what are you doing?
What's up, man? Look, see right here? Niners. Next year, hopefully they'll make it to the playoffs.
Hello.
Knock you out.
Hello you.
It's alien.
Believe me.
Hello.
Hey, who the camera? No.
Oh my goodness, look at Revival. Revival, what are you doing?
Like football?
Playing football?
Oh, yeah. I didn't even I couldn't do it.
Hi, Michelle. Hi, what's that? Oh, I'm recording you. Hi.
Because people want to know what is the purpose of this about. And there's a
Hi, Mary.
like church building and all that. People
What's the second drink?
Alright, here's the after party going on over here in the back of Junior's car. Trying to do a little bit of a drug deal back here. Let's see what everybody's up to. Yep.
Open that 66 football. Recording.
I'm eating what happens to look like taro, but is actually meat in disguise.
Let's see what's happening over here on this end. Ja, se vad fall mig var. Okay. Go Shona.
You're making me lose focus. You're supposed to know that.
Yay! So now we come to the Kia Polo sign. Så det går der i og det er lås. Og ingen er jo med lort. Ja. We're up in Junior's ride right here. So we just left the Samoan crowd over there. So seeing what Junior's bumping up in his ride. What you got there, Junior? We just kicking it. Worry about our image and our space up on the internet. Take me at the game, coach. I won't wanna play no more if I can't give it all I got and leave it out there on the court. Too out of here. Ghetto guys hanging out. Alright, what's happening over here?
This record's gonna soul.
It's little folks walking down the street. I was going to fuzzy them. They were sort of away. Better come back out. I saw William doing that one time. That's what they mean. That's what they mean.
I was checking.
Siva